What if we could replace all of that with one quick-fire survival kit? Make sure you have a knife. With our new quick-fire survival kit, we have the striker will light your fire. But with this striker survival kit, we now have a compartment, nice large space for everything that you saw there, but not the wasted items and the wasted area that you stuff in your backpack. Choose what works for you. Put it into the compartment. Do you need a couple of Tylenol? Do you need some floss? Do you need some fishing line? Do you need a hook? And on this side, we have another compartment. Out with a striker, little opening there. Check out the website, find the items that fit in here, and see what works for you. Get your quick fire survival kit now.